Video I'm going to show you how to buy coin in your Coinbase wallet. So let's get started. I'm going to open my Coinbase wallet. So once you open your Coinbase wallet, the first thing you need to do is click on this. Once you click on this, you're going to see buy here. Click on buy. Now once you click on buy, you need to put in your how much you want to buy in your own. So in your own currency. So I'm going to put it here. Okay, so after that, click on pay with. Here once you click on pay with, you're going to see different ways in which you can pay. You can pay with your debit card, you can pay with your sorry guys, you can pay with this Fire's balance or transfer from Coinbase. So you can just choose any one that you wanted to use to pay. So I'm going to use my credit pay. After that, you go to buy. Once you click on buy, now choose the network you want to buy from. You can search any network you want to buy. Is it Ethereum? Is it USDC, Trust, Coinbase, anyone? Just choose it, and you can also search for which one you want to use. Once you choose, I'm choose Ethereum now please enter any amount below this. So I'm going to go back and choose USD. Once you choose your USD and you continue, you have to ask you to enter any amount that is. So I'm going to enter another that is below. Okay, so I'm going to put it like this. You can see you have to buy that is below this. So once you now click on connect to Coinbase. So once you click on connect to Coinbase, it's going to take you to where you are supposed to pay. You can see it's going to take you there. Here, log into your coinbase.com. So just have to wait for a few minutes before it load. Now this is it. Once there, you have to enter sign into your Coinbase. Just put your email, click on continue. Now once you do like this, put your password. Once you put your password, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, let me show you. Click on continue. Once you put your password there. Okay guys, after that you just follow the main and the next one. Once you follow it, go back. Once you go back, it's going to add here to your balance here, and you can also come to your home. Once you come to your home, then your balance that you buy will also be add under your crypto. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.